Checking your credit score via a standard bank app is now exceptionally convenient. Let's walk through the process together. If you haven't already, start by downloading and installing the Standard Bank mobile banking app on your smartphone or tablet. It's readily available on the Google Play Store for Android and the Apple App Store for iOS. Once installed, open the app and log in using your username and password. If you haven't signed up for online or mobile banking with Standard Bank, you'll need to complete this step first. After logging in, navigate to the section where you can view your credit score or credit profile, usually labeled as Credit Score, Credit Profile, or similar, found in the main menu or under Accounts or My Profile. Here you'll see your current credit score and related details like factors affecting it, credit usage, and payment history. Standard Bank may provide additional features like score change alerts, personalized tips, or credit monitoring services. Keep an eye out for updates or notifications within the app. Take the opportunity to review and understand your credit score's implications, especially for financial activities such as loan applications, mortgages, and credit card approvals.